Most of us eat fish, but hardly few of us has the privilege to experience the fun filled and exciting activity of fishing. To experience such an activity, I went to a village in Assam. Fish is one of the favorite food for the Assamese people. It is not only a usual dish in Assam, but also it is quite commonly used in their religious feast. Due to the availability of ponds, lots of small and big rivers across Assam, fish is easily found in those waterland. The fishing activity is as interesting as much as the taste of the fish. Starting from the small fish around the size of the little finger, you can see the bigger fish as well in those rivers. And among those fishing instruments, there are many instruments that are commonly used. Like in Assamese we say that Khaloi, Jakoi, posa, polo, tongi, jaal are commonly used. Okay. Jakoi and Khaloi are commonly used by the women, but the most exciting and the thrilling one is the posa. Okay.
Oh, moza, upor langi diok. Tamam.
Even though the amount of fish are decreasing year by year in the river, still after the monsoon, when the water level comes down, the fishing activity is started in Assam. More than the taste of the fish, this activity is much more interesting and exciting. Starting from the small kids, everybody try to enjoy that activity, no matter how much somebody could get or not. The enjoyment of making your hand dirty with the mud around that water, yeah, it's quite fun filled. Somebody will put the tongi jaal in the water and wait for some time to catch the fish over their net. On the other hand, some guy will just pull the net across the river and whatever he will get. And the more interesting part is that the more people join in this fishing activity, the more enjoyable it is. And after a long time, once they catch lots of fish, so what they used to do, they celebrate. They used to share the fish among all the fishermen and whoever they participated, and they just enjoy that moment.
बढ़िया